Hi there, my name is Raymond. I would like to show you a great collection of free stock photo sites with commercial license for your personal and commercial purposes. And today you are going to know more than 20 sites of royalty-free photos and images most of you need to know and use for your blogs, videos, and posts on social media and on some print-on-demand items. However, before I get into today's topic, I would appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks for making money online in many fields like print-on-demand business and affiliate marketing and others. And now let's begin with the first site today. Is Shopify.com. It is a unique branch of the biggest e-commerce platform, Shopify.com, and here you will find free stock photos for websites and for any commercial users. So you can download free and high resolution images, and these stock photos are in many categories like fall, background, yoga, coffee, food, nature, and business, and many other categories. And here you can browse the stunning stock photos and you can download any photo you like. Okay, to the next one is Pixels.com. Its name, of course, like the well-known site of Pixels. Here you will find stunning photos released under public domain license. For commercial license, of course, here you will find high quality photos you can use for your blogs, videos, and posts on social media. Third one today is Spreadshirt.com. Spreadshirt.com, beautiful and exclusive free stock photos. Okay, high resolution images for personal and commercial use. You will find here many categories in this great site. You can use them for your blogs and your videos, and here you will find where you can use Spreadshirt photos. And here's social media, magazines, ebook, book covers, and t-shirt prints. And as I said before, it is one of the print-on-demand items. Okay, you can use these photos here on t-shirt. The next one is StockSnap.io. StockSnap.io, beautiful free stock photos, free from copyright restrictions and CC0 images. Okay, this is updated daily and it contains many beautiful photos in many categories, as you see, and you can use them for your commercial purposes. Okay, the next one is Lipershot.com. Lipershot.com, free for commercial use, no watermark, no attribution or no permission, guaranteed origin. Okay, and this library of high quality stock photos are updated weekly by Martin, the owner of this site, Lipershot.com. The next one is Pixabay.com, and Pixabay is the godfather of the royalty free stock images, and here in Pixabay you can find millions of high quality stock images and videos and music as well in many categories like Christmas, wallpaper, nature, food, pets, and many other categories. Okay, the next one quickly is Pixels.com. Like the previous one, in its huge content of the best free stock photos and royalty free images, videos shared by creators for any commercial users and your commercial purposes. Okay, the next one quickly is Kaboompix. Here in Kaboompix there are not only free stock photography but also color palettes. Okay, you will see here beautiful images for your purposes, videos, blogs, and posts on social media. The next one is PicJumbo. PicJumbo, it is beautiful free stock photos. Download free stock photos, backgrounds, and free high resolution images for personal and commercial use in many categories like food, summer, nature, animals. Okay, like these beautiful photos. The next one is Unsplash.com. Spreadshirt.com, it is one of the well-known sites of the free stock photos that are found in many categories like wallpapers, patterns, architecture, experimental, nature, fashion, and so many other categories. Okay, the next one quickly is lifeofpix.com. Lifeofpix.com, it is the sister company of lifeofvids.com that regarding the free stock videos. Okay, The next one today is pixhere.com. Pixhere.com, free of copyrights under CC. Do whatever you want in many categories like cloud, street, body of water, art, river, road, weather, and sunset, and many other categories. And honestly, here in pixhere.com you will find many photos that will drop your jaw, like these pics. The next one today is rawpixel.com/public domain. Here you will find public domain vectors and photos that you can use them in your commercial purposes, even in your print-on-demand businesses, okay, in public domain CC0 license. The next one quickly is publicdomainvectors.org, and you will find here 10,000 of vectors and images in public domain. The next one today is freescvg.org, and freescvg.org has a big content of SCVG images with CC0 public domain license. And actually here in this site freescvg.org, the best thing here, you can download any vector or any image in two formats, either in PNG format or the SCVG one. Okay, the next site today is startupstockphotos.com. Its content is specifically for the marketing niche. As you can see, this photos of laptops and many marketers. Okay, the next one today is stockpic.com. Stockpic.com, free stock photos for commercial use, has a nice collection of photos in many niches. Okay, the next one today is isorepublic.com. Thousands of free high-resolution stock CC0 images and videos. Here you will find many beautiful images in many categories like foods, babies, nature, and animals, and so on. The next one today is negativespace.co. Beautiful high-resolution, no-cost stock images that is completely free to use and commercial license for any commercial purposes like this. Okay, big collection here. The next one today is gratisography.com. Truly unique, usually whimsy, always free photography without copyright restrictions. The last one today is canva.com/photos/free. Here you will find a huge library of photos in many categories. Just you can search here in the search bar and you will find millions of free photos that you can use them in your posts on social media and your videos and your blogs without any restrictions. So we reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online journey. See you on the next video. Goodbye.